All you need to do is keep your eye on the prize and do your job. Is that okay?
Will do.
Okay, all you got to do is do your job.
Oh, we got the present to bring.
Yeah, exactly. All you got to do is do your job.
Okay.
Do your job. Okay?
That's my line. Do your jobs. Just keep out of it.
Okay, I'll keep it.
You ready?
Yeah?
You focused?
Okay, look, I know friendship and loyalty are two big things for you. What do you make of these guys,
Fantastic. Roy? Fantastic. Looking after each other, supporting each other. Right? Brilliant, brilliant. Looking after me. Fantastic. Love it.
Okay, so look, Roy's in your corner. These guys are in your corner. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Let's take off the turtle toys. Here we go! Okay, for every toy they take down, we're going to settle it. Here we go. Now, they're doing this in double quick time. There goes the PlayStation. There goes the television. There's two more to come. Guys! Shake that man's hand over there. There you
Brilliant,
go.
Dylan. Good stuff.
There
That
you
was
go.
quick.
Yeah?
How good was that?
That was amazing.
Fantastic.
I play midfield, Alva.
Sorry, boy?
I play midfield.
You play midfield. Good boy. Best position to play.